Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering chosen hardware and making the first physical connections. You mount the GPS module and microcontroller in the case, then wire power from the LiPo through the charger board to the microcontroller. Connect GPS TX to RX and GPS RX to TX. Once done, attach the antenna and route cables so they don't strain. Make sure the microcontroller has a basic bootloader and set the serial baud at 9600. This avoids communication problems later when you upload code. You now program the device to read GPS sentences and extract lat/long, time, and fix quality. Use a tested library for NME or UBX to avoid parsing bugs. Once parsed, format payloads and decide transmission. Wi-Fi/MQTT when available, HTTP post to your server, or send SMS over GSM for wider coverage. Make sure to implement power management, sleep between fixes, and use an accelerometer to reduce transmissions when stationary. You finish by securely mounting the tracker to the bike, positioning the antenna for a clear sky view, and sealing the enclosure. Then run a full test ride and monitor fix time, update frequency, and server receipts to confirm reliable tracking. If something fails, start debugging. Check antenna connector and orientation, inspect serial logs for char errors, confirm battery voltage, and correct baud settings. Make sure firmware retries fixes and logs errors so you can diagnose intermittent reception quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.